So this is what I use for my dually. I use this. I can get my hand in there, so I just use one of these. Even though I've got one of these, like that. You see? That one's got a gauge here, so you can use that. But I prefer to use this one. It's more accurate. This is more accurate. I just get in there with the extension like this on the inner wheel. And I use this one for the outer wheel. Now these don't seem to be, they don't work. This one works, but this is kind of it's not the right tool for this. You need something that a little bit, more curved here. But this is what I got, so I use this one for the outside wheel. And I just get in there like that, see? And I can put my hand in there, see, and remove it, like so, and just stick it in there, and then I go right back, right back with my other one. I just stick it in there, like so, and I turn it around like this and just read it, and then that'll give me the reading. But the other one here, I just do it this way. I just check it like that, you see? So what I do is I just stick the long one here, and I hold it with my hand to put air in it. And I can use this one too on this side, but I use this one because it fits. Then I recheck it with the other accurate one. So that's about it. I mean, that's all you need. Just squeeze your hand in there and do it this way. Don't need that. Check it. That one's perfect too. It's been a while since I've done this. Wow, that's tight. As usual, that's low. So, I wonder how that happens. Both of the inside ones were low. I don't know how that happened. Both inside ones were low. Maybe the guy, I'll tell you what happened. I took it in for an oil change, and that guy probably had a lot of problems. And he messed up. That's what happened. He let more out. Still low. That's what happened. He was having a lot of problems on the inside. And he actually pulled out more air. Because he was having so many problems. I don't know next time. Just a tiny bit more. Let's see, where is it? There you go. That's more than plenty. This is not a good job here. Perfect.